Hey, I'm Mike Meyer. I'm the Central Region Area Extension Director for C7 and C8 here in Northern Kentucky. You know, my experience in extension has gone back a lot of years. I remember first getting into tractor driving club in 4-H in Harrison County in 5th grade. And since then, it just led to a lot of leadership activities, livestock judging and evaluation, and travel, and ultimately led to a passion of loving UK because of getting to meet extension staff, not only in the counties, but on campus at an early age. And so getting that connection early and often was just a clear path to go there and start my journey in extension. So as an area extension director, what appealed to me with this position was the ability to now shift from working with youth and volunteers in the community to working with coworkers and agents to not only help them succeed in the best of what their ability is in their communities and their counties, but to help them kind of balance maybe possible struggles in their lives and get the best out of this position and what extension can bring for them as well. And I really enjoy getting to work with teams in different offices, seeing other concepts and backgrounds and styles of teaching and education and their personal experience, and then hopefully providing some teamwork and leadership to them to give them the support they need to go out and be the best version of themselves for their people in their community.